Hello, everyone! Welcome to this lesson on learning the English language. In this video, we will explore why English is important, how you can start learning it, and some easy tips to improve your skills. If you're a beginner, don't worry. This lesson is designed in a simple and easy way so that you can understand everything. By the end of this video, you will know how to begin your English learning journey and how to practice daily. Why learn English? English is one of the most spoken languages in the world. It is used in many countries for communication, business, travel, and education. If you know English, you can talk to people from different countries, watch English movies without subtitles, and even get better job opportunities. Learning English can also help you access a lot of information on the internet, because most websites and books are in English. How to start learning English. Starting to learn a new language may feel difficult, but if you follow some simple steps, you can make good progress. Here are some basic steps to start learning English. Learn common words and phrases. Begin with simple words like hello, thank you, please, and sorry. Learn useful phrases such as how are you and nice to meet you. Try to use these words and phrases in your daily life. Improve your pronunciation. Listen to native speakers and try to copy their pronunciation. Use online dictionaries that have audio pronunciation. Speak slowly and clearly at first. With time, your pronunciation will improve. Practice listening skills. Listen to English songs and try to understand the lyrics. Watch English movies or TV shows with subtitles. Listen to simple English conversations and repeat the sentences. Learn basic grammar. Grammar helps you make correct sentences. Start with simple grammar rules such as subject plus, verb plus object. Example, I eat an apple. Past, present, and future tenses. Do not worry about making mistakes. Just keep practicing. Speak in English every day. Try to speak English with friends, family, or even yourself. Talk about your daily routine in English. Example, I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast. Join online English speaking groups or practice with a language partner. Improve your reading and writing. Read simple English books, newspapers, or blogs. Try writing a diary in English. Start with small sentences and gradually write longer paragraphs. Easy tips to learn English faster. Think in English. Instead of translating from your native language, try to think in English. Use flashcards. Write new words on flashcards and review them daily. Play word games. Crossword puzzles, word searches, and online vocabulary games can be fun and helpful. Be confident. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a step toward improvement. Set goals. Decide what you want to achieve in 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months. Be consistent. Practice every day, even if it is only for 10-15 minutes. Common mistakes beginners make. Not practicing speaking. Many learners focus only on reading and writing but do not speak. Speaking is very important. Translating too much. It is okay to translate sometimes, but try to learn English as it is instead of always translating from your native language. Using difficult words. Start with simple words. You can learn difficult words later. Being afraid of making mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language. Keep going and keep practicing. Conclusion. In this video, we have learned why English is important and how to start learning it. We also discussed simple steps like learning common words, practicing speaking, improving grammar, and listening to English daily. Remember, learning English is a journey. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and don't give up. You can do it. Thank you for watching and keep learning English with us. See you in the next lesson.